We have left Juice back at the van because we have come out to the Koorana Crocodile Farm. We've actually been out here before and decided that it's probably not the most dog-friendly place, so we've left Juice back in the van.
Yeah, he's asleep in his crate, in the aircon, because I feel like the animals here don't really like dogs all that much.
No, they do.
Like them a lot because they eat them, so...
In the last video, we said that some of the crocodiles apparently have got out and made their way into some of the rivers around here, like Keppel Sands, and this is what we're talking about. This is a croc farm where we've heard rumours of when it floods, it's actually washed some of the crocs out. We should ask them and see if that's just a rumour or not. Be croc wise, don't bring your puppy dog.
Got a couple of mates visiting from Adelaide, and I probably won't show you because they're a bit rough around the edges. Nah, you might see some of them later.
Propagate out, alert the crocodile to my position and to the intensity of those sounds.
He's hungry.
Come here, Tank.
Oh, look how fat he is.
Dude, you need to go on a diet.
That is a thick boy.
He's a big boy.
So he would be really fast still though, even though he's like
In water.
Yeah.
Not so much on land, but in water.
Okay.
He'll get up to 25, 30 k's an hour in water. Up here, big boy. Come on. Come on.
Come on.
Oh, I hate that noise.
Attaboy. Not big, she's a pretty small female, but it's always the small women that have the most rage. It's probably because it's so concentrated, you know what I mean? Yeah, exactly, so you get it.
Oh yeah,
Up here, big boy. I know it's so much effort. Duke, come on, big boy. Duke, come on. One more, come on. So folks, this is Harley. Harley is a juvenile 3-year-old saltwater crocodile, just like the ones we've seen on tour today. But of course, he's a miniature.
Get him. Get him. Sit. Sit. Well, happy Saturday. It's super gloomy here today. We've all got cabin fever. We've just been sitting in the van all morning.
Yeah, and as you can see, we've got our new feature under our awning here, the washing line, because we're up for like 5 to 10 today, 10 to 20 mil rain tomorrow, so it's going to get pretty wet.
Well, we're hoping, because everything around here has been so dry. We haven't really had any rain on this side of, well, not this side, this part of the coast. So I think everyone is hanging out for a good storm. We're going to attempt to go for a walk down by the beach and not get rained on and not get blown away. I'm seeing some scooters here, which kind of look like a good option, don't you reckon?
Yeah, they might be the ride back if it starts bucketing down. Come on, Juice.
We thought we should take Juice out for a decent walk this morning because we're expecting so much rain in the next couple of days. I don't know when we're going to get out for a decent walk again. Oh, that didn't take long. Well, this is kind of cute. Look at this, Rocky the rock snake. It's still going.
Goes for a fair while.
Someone couldn't find a rock, a brick will do.
I'm surprised no one's moved these rocks over here. Just bloody push one of them over and just put a smiley face on it.
The big ones? Yeah. That is my favourite bird, the curlew, aka Devil's Apprentice. If you've heard these guys screech at night outside your caravan window, you'll understand why I don't like them. There's also a funny clip online of Robert Irwin like playing with one of these, and it's pretty much just attacking him. So also why I don't like them. Well, we didn't get rained on and Juice is absolutely knackered now.
That's a win-win. We are good to go for the rest of the day now.
Now we can sit in the van if we need to and binge watch Wentworth. That's what we've been watching at the moment. If you've seen Wentworth, you'll know how amazing this show is.
Yeah, I was actually surprised. I wasn't that sold on it at first, and it's pretty good actually. So yeah, with the Starlink, it's been nice to be able to binge watch some telly, and it's actually good.
A couple of weeks ago on our Facebook, we were talking about sausage rolls and getting lots of different tips for homemade sausage rolls from everyone. Now we've taken the easiest recommendation that we saw on there, which was pre-buy normal sausages or just some nice tasty sausages and put them into puff pastry and cook them like that. Now we thought we'd jazz them up a little bit, so we're going to add some onion and garlic, and we've bought some Texan chili, I think they were, sausages from the butcher. And then we're going to put them in puff pastry and add a little bit of cheese in there as well. So I mean, we've taken a really easy recipe and like still overcomplicated it. But that's going to be lunch today. Because you saw it's feral weather outside, we thought, what can we do? And we thought, why not cook something up? Now let's all judge Bryce's knife skills. See how you go. Let's just set this up right here. Feel free to critique him in the comments. You're still trying to peel it?
Yeah, buddy, this bit of skin won't just come off nicely. It's buddy just flaking off. Not having a very good time.
Onions have layers. What's this? What's this, Bryce? Come on, be better. I'll get all of Gordon Ramsay on you.
Put your hand down.
How much garlic do we need? Is that too much garlic?
I don't know, show me. Oh baby.
Is that working? Is that intestine on the outside?
Nah, I don't think so.
Really?
Yeah.
What else would it be?
I don't know, just like a sausage skin.
Isn't that intestines?
No, it used to be. I don't think it is anymore.
Oh, let us know in the comments. We bought this from a butcher. Would it actually be intestines?
I don't think so.
Oh. They smell nice at least?
Yeah, this is going to be good.
Let me have a little whiff. Oi, don't! Yeah, this can get caught in my nose piercing.
Oh, no.
I'm going to have meaty nose piercing now. Gross. Alrighty, let's sausage these up. Alrighty, they're all cheesed up and they're ready to roll. Oh, that one split a bit. It must have been too full.
We had a couple of breakages, but...
But they look really good.
Come on, awesome. Just noticed you look a little bit like G-Flip today.
G-Flip?
Yeah, with your hair and your...
Really?
I think, I don't know.
Not a
Just
very good
like
singer, so...
Just with your cap on.
Yeah, cool.
Look at them, beautiful. Let's tuck in. After 2 months in Yeppoon, we are finally hitting the road again. It's been good, topping up the bank account and working, but we are super excited to hit the road again.
Now we will be heading north. Not exactly sure where we're staying tonight. Maybe Clairview. We had a couple of people recommend that to us. But we're just gonna hit the road and see where it takes us.
Yeah, we are heading into another wet season, and we even said to each other this year, we're like, no, we're not gonna do a wet season, and now look at us, we're heading up north. It is going to be quieter. It's going to be lots of water around, so we are super excited to get stuck into it.
And we are already finding frogs on the caravan. So we had quite a bit of rain here yesterday, what, 45 mil?
Yeah, we had 45 mil, 25 mil in an hour.
And the frogs are out. We had some on the side of the caravan. Bryce is pretty sure there's one living in the aircon.
Yeah, so we're going to be finding them over the next couple of weeks
Oh,
as they
and I
start
found a
popping out.
little one in the washing machine.
Oh, that's right.
Got the old girl back on the road.
We've decided we're going to stay at the Barracrab Caravan Park in Clairview tonight. We've only booked for one night, but we're hoping it's really nice and we'll stay 2. And if we can get a front site near the ocean or something with a little bit of ocean views at least, yeah, we might stay a couple nights. But we're not liking our chances because we literally caught up an hour ago. As you can see on maps, the Bruce Highway goes really close to the ocean just for a minute, and that's Clairview. Now, I think there's a heap of unpowered sites out here that are oceanfront, or you're stuck in the powered section. It's pretty warm out there, but if it's got a nice sea breeze, we might be able to do unpowered.
We'll have to check the weather.
Yeah, and I'll ask at the office. There's a few people here, but it's not too busy.
Not crazy. Yeah.
They look
not
like they've
bad.
been here for a while.
Yeah, a few long stayers.
Well, we've decided to go unpower at Clairview, and I think we've made the right decision. These sites are awesome, total beachfront, and you can pick wherever you want to go. It's probably a dozen people in this area, but there's so much room. Have a look at this.
Haven't we done well?
We have done very well.
And it's actually not as hot or humid as we were expecting. It's got a lovely breeze at the moment, so it should be good. Alrighty, we're mostly set up. We had some lunch, got some wedges and some chips, and while we were sitting there we could see this big long dark thing out in the water. I think it's a dugong. Chelsea's like, nah, it's a crocodile. So let's chuck the drone up and find out. It is a bit windy, so fingers crossed I don't lose another drone. So, turns out it is a dugong. I was right. Chelsea, I want to hear you say it.
No, it was a different one. There was a crocodile.
Come on,
6 metres salty.
Come on, just say Bryce, you were right.
Bryce, you saw a different one.
Unreal.
We'll never get that one.
Yeah, you tell them.
He keeps barking over there.
Oi.
Juice, can you see the crocodile in the water? I think he saw the 6 metre croc and he keeps barking at it.
Yeah, alright, mate.
No, but in all seriousness, we were just sitting out here chilling. It's so beautiful here at Clairview, and not Clearview.
Clairview.
Not like Clearview mirrors.
Hey, any sponsors out there?
Okay. Anyway, we've just heard this rabbit, and I'm pretty sure we brought a
Yeah,
frog with us.
There's a frog somewhere and he's going to be sticking his head out later on being like, what am I doing here?
This is not my home. I kind of feel bad if, like, maybe he was out trying to find food for the family and he got caught up in the caravan.
Well, I'm just thinking he's probably had a real rough ride because of that Bruce Highway was not very comfortable today.
Nah, that was shocking. We've heard the frog again. Jeez.
Hello, mate.
It's somewhere under there.
somewhere under here.
There was one in this step earlier when we brought it inside. The one poked its head
I wonder
out.
if he's still in there.
No. Oh, actually, the legs go deep in.
Yeah.
You reckon?
It sounded like it come from down here.
Frog?
No frog in that one. Not in that one. Not in that one. There he is.
Really?
Yay!
Oh, he's not very big. He's in there though. You're probably not going to be able to see him. Come on, mate. How you hop?
That's alright.
You were right. There's one in here. That's funny. It's the last one we did.
Stop digging.
He's in there. Are we just going to leave him and hope that he gets out tonight?
Yeah. He'll make his way somewhere tonight.
He can come for the ride.
I mean, if he wants to hang out, he's more than welcome to join Caravan Adventurers.
So this morning we are leaving Clairview and heading up the road to Cape Palmerston. We're going to finish up this video here, so if you are enjoying them, please make sure to like and subscribe, and we'll catch you next Sunday. See you later.